Are you in the mood for making some giftable note cards? I have a really fun project. It's called the Twin Note Card Carriers. And yes, these note card carriers are twins because you can take one sheet of our Club Scrap beautiful folding board, any Club Scrap card kit, this one's called Sea Life, the instructions, a half a dozen of these hook and loop dot closures, and you're going to have a blast following along with me during the video while we make these note card carriers. Each folio contains 2 pockets, and then when you lift the lid on the pocket, it holds 4 completed cards, and then you'll add 4 envelopes. What's nice is that the top flap and the side flap keeps the cards from falling out when the folio is in transit to whoever you want to give it to. Once you master your first set, you'll want to make more. Here we have a pair created with the Nantucket card kit and another set made with the Cabana card kit. By the time the holidays are here, you are going to have a bevy of note card carriers ready to give away at a moment's notice, if you can part with them. I'll meet you in the Twin Note Card Carrier workshop. Looking forward to seeing you there.